Our brains are skilled illusionists, shaping reality to fit expectations, memories, and quick judgments. In Change Blindness, people miss dramatic shifts in a scene, revealing how attention limits reshape what we think we saw. False memories arise when leading questions or suggestion rearrange details, a phenomenon scientists call memory reconstruction. Confirmation bias nudges us to favor information that confirms beliefs, even when mixed with flawed data and noise. By slow thinking, cross-checking sources, and questioning first impressions, viewers can reduce these mind tricks in daily life today.